demonstrate how to replace a conventional Kwikot thermostat to a geyser-wise thermostat. Firstly, switch off the power to the geyser and ensure that there is no power on the live and the neutral terminals. If there's no power on the live and neutral terminals, it's safe to remove the wires. Simply loosen the screw terminals, pull the live and neutral wire out, then pull the conventional thermostat out. Once that has been done, take the geyser-wise thermostat and tighten up the connections on the thermostat. These connections need to be 100% tight or they'll cause hot connections. Once you've tightened up the terminals, simply slide the geyser-wise thermostat into the element and ensure that the pins of the thermostat slide all the way into the element. Once that has been done, take your live and your neutral wires, connect your neutral wire into the neutral terminal. Your neutral terminal is marked on the black block. Tighten up the neutral connection. Then take your live wire, slide your live wire into the live terminal and tighten that connection. Very important, ensure that your earth wire does not touch up against any of those terminals. That will cause your earth leakage or circuit breaker to trip. Once all of that has been done, ensure that your earth is secure. Take your male connector from the geyser-wise thermostat and simply plug it into the geyser-wise box.